Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon. Are you looking for the best rechargeable bicycle tail light to keep you safe on the road? Today we are talking about an amazing piece of cycling gear that will completely upgrade your evening rides and daily commutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let me introduce you to the Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light. This incredibly smart device completely redefines convenience and safety for cyclists everywhere. Whether you are a daily commuter navigating busy city streets or someone who just loves to ride on peaceful weekend trails, having a reliable light is absolutely essential. The Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light takes all the hassle out of traditional bike lighting with its innovative magnetic adsorption design. Thanks to this wonderful magnetic design, installation is remarkably simple and fast. You do not need any screws, tape, or complicated tools to get this mounted on your bike. The tail light attaches firmly to the rear of your bicycle with a beautifully strong magnetic hold. It makes it incredibly easy for beginners and seasoned riders to set it up quickly and start riding without delays. You might be wondering if it will accidentally fall off on rough terrain. Do not worry at all. Even on super bumpy roads, the intense magnetic stability ensures the Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light remains securely in place. You will have continuous visibility and safety without constantly checking behind you to see if your light is still attached. Safety is the absolute #1 priority, and the Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light handles this brilliantly by being equipped with intelligent brake sensing technology. This is a massive game changer for anyone riding in traffic. The moment your bike slows down, the light automatically detects the change in speed and switches to a bright highlighted state. This immediate response lasts for about 1.5 seconds. It provides a highly effective warning to vehicles and other riders behind you. This ensures much safer braking visibility in all conditions, giving you great peace of mind. Customization is also right at your fingertips. The Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light offers 7 versatile lighting modes. You can easily switch between these different modes with a simple single click. There is no need to make complex adjustments. You can quickly choose the optimal brightness and flashing pattern to perfectly suit your journey. Whether you want a solid beam or an attention-grabbing flash, the choice is always yours. To make things even more effortless, the Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light automatically adapts to your surrounding environment. Whether you are riding during the bright day or late at night, the light uses a smart start and stop function combined with intelligent day and night sensing capabilities. It knows exactly when to turn on and how bright it needs to be to maximize your visibility. Along with its unique windbreaker magnetic brake function, which adds an extra layer of protection, you are fully covered from every angle as you pedal down the road. All of this amazing technology is packed into a beautifully compact and reliable design. It will not weigh your bike down or look bulky on your frame. The Rock Bros Rechargeable Bicycle Tail Light allows you to focus entirely on enjoying your ride, knowing that it is taking complete care of your illumination and warning functions. It truly makes every single journey a safer and more enjoyable experience for everyone. Are you ready to make your cycling adventures safer and brighter than ever before? Check the price link in the description to get your hands on this fantastic gear. If you enjoyed our video today, please make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful time on your next ride.